Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for watching this video. This is a 6 exercise full body circuit style workout, and I hope you'll join me because the real value in exercise is in doing, not watching. So I'm starting off with my Bosu, right foot up, left foot down, and I'm gonna squat down and then slide over to the other side for another squat. I call these squat and slide. Keep a firm abdomen, send your hips back as you sink down, and then just take a little shuffle slide step at the top as you switch feet. Control your body on the landing, and then just move into your next rep. I'm doing about 20 here. So there's 20, and next I'm going to move the Bosu out of the way, grab a light dumbbell, and then this is a balance exercise. I'm going to move laterally with the weight in my left hand. I'm moving my left arm out to the left until it's about parallel to the ground, and I'm moving my right foot out to the right. So I'm just standing on my left foot, firm abdomen. As the right foot moves out to the right, I feel the outside of my right glute, and that muscle is working to move my leg, and then pause at the top and control the leg and the arm as you move back to your starting position. If you need to tap the ground with your right foot as you make it back, do that. If not, just continue to balance on your left foot and just move into your next rep. So we're almost there, doing about 15 here. And then switch sides. Right hand, right arm moves the dumbbell out to the right, and left foot out to the left. Again, firm abdomen. Your head and your torso, much of that should feel like it's directly above your right foot. And those parts of your body should stay pretty still. Your spine doesn't really move or change. Your pelvis itself doesn't really move or change. Just feel the leg moving inside the hip socket and the arm moving inside the shoulder joint. Still breathe naturally. If you're struggling with the balance, draw your navel in toward your spine, so your abdomen, if it feels really firm, then that'll help your balance. Maybe also look at something that's not moving and just fix your eyes on that. So last rep. Next, I'm going back to the Bosu. I'm going to stand on it, the same side. So I'm standing on the blue rubber side, and I'm going to grab one handle of a resistance band with one arm. So this is single arm rowing with balance. I'm balancing on the Bosu. My feet are about hip width apart. I've got the resistance band in my left arm, and I'm pulling my left elbow back behind my body. The left shoulder blade moves over toward your spine. An athletic stance, so your knees are slightly bent, and just feel your body stay right over your feet, your torso. As you pull the elbow, you will feel your body wants to turn. Either it turns to the right a bit as you straighten your arm, or you'll want to turn to the left as you row, but resist both of those. Just keep your shoulders pointed straight ahead. This is a single arm row with no twist. 15 reps, and now I'm switching sides. Switch to the right arm, but everything else is still the same. Athletic stance, knees bent, weight over your feet. Breathing naturally. I like to exhale each time as I row. Keep your chest lifted, your spine is neutral, long and straight, and keep pulling the elbow back behind you. No twisting. If you don't think about that part of it, your body may just want to do it automatically because it'll make the rowing a little bit easier, but resist the urge to twist. Just keep your shoulders pointed straight ahead. So we're almost there. And we are 15 reps each side. Next, I'm going to grab a different resistance band. This one's actually a little bit lighter. I'm standing flat on the ground, and these are straight arm pushbacks. So my arms are really straight, my palms are facing back. As I reach forward, my shoulder blades naturally move apart. So I'm squeezing the shoulder blades together to propel my arms, my hands back behind me, back behind my hips, and to stretch the band. So feel the shoulder blades squeeze together, then release that squeeze and let them move apart. As your shoulder blades squeeze together, your collarbone should feel very wide and open. Again, firm abdomen. Keep your body weight right over your feet. Don't shift your weight to stretch the band, but just squeeze the shoulder blades together. So 15 reps, and we're there. Next, I am going to stand back on the Bosu. I've got some dumbbells, and I'm moving to bicep curls. So firm abdomen will help the balance on the Bosu. Feet are about hip width apart, and try to feel your feet should be symmetrical, about equidistant from the very center of the Bosu, and then just bend your elbows and straighten. If you do this exercise with your feet on the floor, it's a little bit easier because you're on a stable surface. So standing on something that's unstable, your leg muscles work a bit more, your abdomen should work a bit more, or squeezing your abdomen will help the balance. And then also the movement of the weight can throw your balance off. So as these weights move up and down, you have to work a little bit harder to stay upright on the Bosu. So keep that in mind. Still breathing naturally. We're almost there. 15 reps again, and we are there. Put the weights down, move the Bosu out of the way, and we're going to finish with one more balance exercise. So now I'm just standing on my left foot, and I call this walking motion. I'm lifting my right knee, and then I'm straightening my right foot and pushing my heel back. So knee up in front, heel back in back, never touching the ground unless you really need to. If you feel like you're going to lose it, of course, touch the ground. I'm doing 10 of these. So we're about there. You should feel like your head is directly above your left foot, or the foot that's on the ground. Again, your abdomen's firm. You're looking at something that's not moving. That was 10. Now I'm moving to the next range of motion on the same leg, which I call half moons. So from the straight leg back position, I just am tracing a little half circle so that my foot's out in front, and then trace a half circle so my foot's back behind me. Again, 10 of these. As your foot moves out to the side, your weight shifts that way. You have to support the weight of your leg differently. So just be aware. These half moons create more lateral balance challenge, whereas the walking motion, the first one, creates more front and back balance challenge. But we're almost there. Okay, I am done with that side, and now I'm ready to pour my weight into my right foot. Balance on it. You can see or feel your upper body will shift over that right foot, and now you're moving your left. So knee up, heel back. On the knee up, feel your abdomen, and then on the heel back, squeeze the left glute. These might be really hard. If so, that's fine. Just work through it, tap the ground when you need to, and then start up and keep going. Or they might be really easy. If they're really easy, they may not be really easy the whole time. So I finished walking motion, and now I'm on my last set, second side, half moons. Keep your weight centered over your right foot as your left traces. Half circle forward, and then a half circle backward. Breathe, firm abdomen. Keep looking at that thing that's not moving. Fix your eyes on it. We're almost there. Last one, and relax. Good job with that circuit. Rest, have some water, and then come back and repeat. Have a great workout.